Hi, this is a quick demo on how I use Voibe when working with AI. Let's get started. Here is the background. I am going to reach out to a few YouTubers and explain how Voibe will be useful to them. To demonstrate this, I want to create a simple demo video whereby I can showcase how I use Voibe to help them understand how they can potentially use it. I like to brainstorm with you on ideas for creating really short demo video in under 1 minute to showcase this. Help me with 2 or 3 ideas briefly. Keep it clear and crisp. Don't make it too verbose. I think you got the whole thing wrong. I am the only actor. I want to do some action and I want to record that and share it with YouTubers so that they can easily relate and understand the value from it. These are okay, but you know what I'm thinking? I'm simply going to record this itself on how I'm trying to create a video, but you're not being helpful, and share this with them. I hope they can understand and relate to it because I'm sure they must also be going through the same pain.